What's up, YouTube? This is Jeep Guys here too. Today I'm driving a Jaguar. My stepdad's friend let me take it for a ride. So let's see what the power can do. I'm in the neighborhood, so let's do this quick. Wow, it got some power. I'll tell you guys that for a fact. Look at all that. Brand new. I think it's a 2023 maybe. I'm pretty sure. I really don't know, but this car is pretty good. I drove an Audi today and a Jaguar, and I'm about to drive maybe a Porsche. This thing is sweet. Got a lot of power. One day when we hit 1 million, I'll buy one of these for a fact. And I know I will hit 1 million one day. I officially turned 21 now. Very blessed to be 21 now. And then it's gonna be a good year. So next year I will be making longer videos. I'll be selling merch on YouTube and all that. So I think this car's worth a lot, man. Those people. This thing is sick. A lot of power. It goes 170 to the wheel, I think. Yeah, right there. And it's got a lot of juice in it. So I'd love to take this on the main road, but I'm not allowed to. It's my neighborhood. But I moved out of this neighborhood for real. Let's see. Look at that. Jeez. Brown interior. Brownish. There's the back. Sunroof. This thing is so sweet. Alright, let's see where it can go now. And these are all, I think, $1 million houses. A little bright outside. So yeah, like, subscribe and all that. August 21, I have something coming in the mail. So I'll tell you guys what happens August 21st. So be ready. There's a car, man. Oh my god. It's the same guy. Live in my neighborhood? That guy's calling you booty. Oh my god. Oh. So I'm gonna park it now. Put it in park. Shut it off. We can do a little rev, I think. It's kind of quiet for real, but I'm gonna shut it off and let's go back inside. I'll show you the. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. Dude, I need one so bad. Alright, like, subscribe, peace.